Today's videos when you will go to the USA for visa, US visa interview. So 99% this is the first question which US visa officer can ask you. What is the purpose of your visit? So we are gonna deep about this question and talk about what to say and what not to say, and about what is the purpose of your visit to the USA. And today we are going to talk about what is the purpose of your visit to the United States. And I strongly believe that a lot of time the reason for rejection in case of US visa interview is not communicating to the visa officer properly to the visa officer, not communicating your purpose of visit to the visa officer in the time of US visa interview. So in today's videos we are gonna deep dive to this question, and we will discuss all this related to this question, like what are the requirement of what are the requirement about what is the purpose of visit to the United States. So here, purpose of visit need to be clear. It has to be something that should understand easily by the visa officer. And the purpose of visit need to be important. It has need to be genuine, and also it should not be something which can be done over the email, video call, or postponed to the later date. So the next is how long should be my answer, and keep this point in your mind that the visa officers don't have more time for your long answers. So keep this point in your mind. Your answers always should always short, 3 to 4 sentences, and because visa officers don't have more time to listen to a long question, and also your answer should be meaningful. So what to say? Uh, I have three important roles which I am always giving advice to all of my clients to follow this rule. And in this video, I will follow. I will discuss all of my rule with example. So if you need go to the US visa interview, and if you don't know about your purpose of visit, so it is really important for you that you should make purpose of visit answers related to your profile. So if you will concern with me, and if you will contact by my email, and if you need a US visa interview guidance course, I can provide as well, because everyone has their own profile, and they should make their purpose of visit with their own, like their own profile. But here I am talking about the three important role which which can help you a lot in this video. And if you if you have a company, for example, if you have a company, a US based company in your home country, and if you are going to the US for your purposes, that you are going to attend the meeting, and you are going to for a business trip. So here you can follow these rules, and I think you will pass your interview. And the, like, number one, your role in the US office in a business trip, and always give a short answer, an informative answer, like a short one line, or one line or one word information. Always reject your visa. For example, if you will ask me what is the purpose of your visit, so if you will give the answer like that, I'm going for a business trip, and if you will not give them enough information that if you are going for a business trip, so you will not give enough information, full information in a short sentence, then he or she can refuse your visa. And number three is why, and why being, if you are going for US based company business trip, so he can ask you that why being there physically is important. You have a complete answer that what not to say. If he will ask you that why being there physically is important, so you have a complete answer. And what not to say, number one, technical jargons. Like if you will not give a complicated answer, you will give a clear and easy answer that will very important to that this officer can understand that there is a clear answer. So number two is not giving enough information. If you will not give enough information, if you will only give a short one word or two one line information, and if you will not understand your purpose of visit, so he can straight away diffuse you. So not giving enough information can always you can refuse your visa, and maybe he will not ask you another question, and he will straight away give you the refusal letter. So always keep all the point in your mind, and only if he will ask you, this officer will ask you about your purpose of visit, so you should clear information in a short sentence or the 2 3 sentence, but in a short sentence and clear and meaningful information you need to prepare. Okay, and sounding number three, sounding nervous and not making eye contact. So how important that sound clearly and make eye contact. So always confidently, if you will start your interview and he will ask you about the purpose of your visit, so if you are genuine, if you have a